The Woodcut MillDrill was designed to make the production of salt and pepper mills using the CrushGrind mechanisms quicker and easier. Once you've drilled the main 25mm hole through the body of the mill, it will accurately drill both the first two holes to the correct depth in one operation. Like any drill, it needs to be withdrawn several times to allow the swarf to clear. There's a line engraved on the shaft 20mm behind the cutter to indicate the depth to cut to. Keep the cutter sharp and it will cut very cleanly and accurately.